Hi beauties! Welcome back to Zoe Beauty List. Today we're going behind the scenes into Cha Eun Woo's authentic skincare routine. Cha Eun Woo is known for his flawless, radiant complexion, and he has openly shared some steps he follows daily to keep his skin glowing. From morning to night, I'll show you each step you can try at home, including some fan-friendly DIY alternatives. Nighttime routine step 1. Double cleansing, Cha Eun Woo's tip. He emphasizes cleaning your face properly at night. First, use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, sunscreen, and impurities. DIY alternative. Olive oil, coconut oil, or baby oil can substitute a cleansing oil at home. Follow with a gentle water-based cleanser to ensure your skin is completely clean. Step 2. Toner. Cha Eun Woo mentions hydrating toner helps prep skin for serums. DIY alternative. Rose water or aloe vera gel works well. Step 3. Serum. Treatment. He reportedly uses a hyaluronic acid or brightening serum to maintain moisture and radiance. Fan tip. Tap gently for better absorption, don't rub. Step 4. Moisturizer and eye cream. Lightweight moisturizer seals and hydration. Eye cream to reduce puffiness and fine lines. Optional. Overnight mask 1 to 2 times a week for an extra glow boost. Morning routine step 1. Gentle cleanser. Lightly cleanse face to remove overnight sweat or oil. Step 2. Serum or essence. Apply a hydrating or brightening serum for plumpness and glow. Step 3. Moisturizer. Lightweight moisturizer to prep skin. Step 4. Sunscreen. Cha Eun Woo emphasizes SPF is non-negotiable. Use broad-spectrum SPF 50+ to protect skin and prevent aging. Optional. Lip balm and a cooling eye patch in the morning to reduce puffiness. Fan hacks and DIY tips. Use hydrating sheet masks 2 to 3 times a week for plump skin. Drink plenty of water for inside-out hydration. Ice roller or cold compress reduces puffiness and tightens pores. Apply products thin to thick so serums absorb before creams. Good sleep and stress management are key. Cha Eun Woo highlights the importance of rest for clear skin. Finally, so that's the complete authentic Cha Eun Woo skincare routine. Which step will you try first? Comment below. If you loved this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more K-drama skincare secrets. Let me know if you want a DIY Cha Eun Woo mask tutorial next. It is easy and budget friendly.